The young man, on his first visit to his mother-in-law's house, discovered that everyone was using a wood stove to keep warm in the freezing winter. Therefore, he quickly went to a scrap store to buy a discarded large oil drum and prepared to transform it into a versatile heating device. He began by cutting the tail of the oil drum with a specialized knife. Then, he found a 76 mm diameter iron pipe and placed it on the drum. After marking and drawing 3 circles, he switched to a 48 mm diameter iron pipe, continued marking, and, once all the markings were completed, he used a hole expander tool to drill holes along the previously marked lines. Once this was completed, the young man took a sheet of iron and replicated it based on the holes marked on the oil drum, adding an additional hole in the center. According to the size of the holes, he inserted the corresponding round iron pipes. After inserting them all, he used an electric welding machine to weld them onto the oil drum, assembling the round iron plates uniformly. After assembly, he welded each iron pipe tightly to the oil drum, including welding a section in the middle of the round iron pipes. After welding, he reattached the tail section of the previously cut oil drum, ensuring it was sealed and leak-proof. Following that, he welded a 90-degree iron pipe onto the expanded iron pipe to create a smokestack for the stove. The young man brought in a ventilation fan and placed it near the smokestack. After marking, he would cut the excess parts with a cutting machine and secure them with screws. He placed it on a stand made of a metal ring for easy mobility. The next step is to create the door of the stove. Using a suitable stainless steel tray, he marked a rectangle in the middle of the oil drum. He cut open the right side and welded 2 hinges after cutting. Then, he trimmed the remaining 3 sides to form a door. To ensure easy opening and closing, he welded a flat plate around the rectangle and installed a window in the middle to observe the fire inside. Afterwards, he welded an automatic gear lock and also created an ash discharge hole using a round iron pipe, paying attention to operational details. This young man worked tirelessly, creatively, and innovatively every day. As a result, many people came to place orders from him after witnessing the efficiency of the stove he had crafted. Finally, the heating device was completed with a black paint coating on its outer surface, making it stand out and limiting dirt accumulation. The production process was incredibly simple, yet its effectiveness was truly remarkable. In cold weather, all that was needed was to light a fire inside, turn on the fan, and enjoy the warm and comfortable atmosphere. It is very energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Most importantly, his mother-in-law values her son-in-law highly, and with this excellent product, it not only provides a warm feeling but also allows cooking on it. What do you think about this invention? Please share your thoughts.